Have you ever heard of the Big Dipper? The Big Dipper is a constellation. Now, a constellation is a group of stars that we've given a name to help us find certain stars or recognize them. Now, ancient Greek and Roman astronomers gave all sorts of constellations names, and we still use a lot of those.
Monthly test the Telecast cable's emergency alert system equipment. How to spin an actual emergency, official messages with a follow the alert tone. This Telecast cable market serves Northern Ohio, including the cities of Cleveland, Akron, Canton, and Youngstown. This concludes this EAS test.
Polaris, you with me? Anyway, the Earth's axis, the imaginary line that the Earth spins around, seems to point